You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's hear how those two words are pronounced. They look a little bit similar, but they sound rather different, and it's important to hear and practice and be able to pronounce the difference. So the top word here is when you exercise physically, that's sport. Okay, so you have the S sound, the P sound, and then ort. British English is going to be sport with pretty much a silent R. American English says it as sport, sport. Okay, you can hear that there's no syllable, there's no sound between the S and the P. Sp, sport. The bottom word, however, has a schwa sound and a sound between the S and the P. Let's hear it. Support, support. Okay. So of course, if you say support really quickly, it may sound a little bit like sport, but the first sound is kind of voiced. Okay, you say support, support, because the second syllable is accentuated. You don't hear the s sound all that much, but it is there. Support. So support is your bottom word here. When you support somebody, you offer some help. Support. The top word is sport, all right? So there's no sound between S and P, sport or support. Can you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. I hope it was useful. Sport, support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.